Have you ever felt like no matter how much you study, the lesson just doesn't click? I felt that too, and honestly, I can be really frustrating. There was times when I sat for hours reading the same page over and over again, but nothing stayed in my head. I started asking myself a simple question. Why does it take me so long to understand learning material? After thinking and reflecting, I realized there were some causes behind this. First, the way I learned didn't match my learning style. I was just reading silently without really trying to understand the meaning. Second, I got distracted so easily. My mind would wander and I'd lose focus even after a few minutes. And surprisingly, even something as simple as the way I sat affected my concentration. A bad sitting position made it harder to focus and easier to get tired. Because of that, the effects started to build up. I felt stressed and pressured. I began to doubt myself, thinking maybe I just wasn't smart enough. My motivation went down and studying became something I avoided instead of something I enjoyed. But I learned something important. The problem wasn't me. It was my method, and if the method was the problem, then it could be changed. So I started making small change. I practiced active note-taking, not just reading. Writing things down in my own words made the material clearer. I learned step by step instead of forcing myself to understand everything at once. I joined discussion with friends. Talking about the topic helped me see it in new ways. I also changed some habits, like putting away distraction and sitting more comfortably while studying. At first, it wasn't easy, but slowly, everything started to get better. I understood more, I felt more confidence, and learning didn't feel like a heavy burden anymore. It became something I could actually enjoy. So, if any of you are struggling with the same thing, I just want to say, don't give up. Struggling doesn't mean you are not smart. It just means you need a better way to learn, and once you find that way, everything will get easier. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day and see you!